Welcome to RPS Group of School online classes of science. Good morning, students. Breath is the finest gift of nature. Fill your lungs and clear your mind, and be grateful for this wonderful gift. With this quotation, students, today we will continue with Module 4 of Chapter Respiration in Animals and Plants. In this Module 4, we will discuss respiration in plants. Students, as you are well aware, plants are also living organisms. Therefore, they too respire to take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide like most of the animals. But they do not have any special respiratory system as in animals. Respiration process in plants is not so complicated as it is in animals. In the daytime, photosynthesis and respiration takes place together. In the night time, only the process of respiration takes place. Exchange of gases in plants. The exchange of gases takes place in the plants all the time, but it is increased during daytime. The leaves are more actively involved in photosynthesis during the daytime in the presence of sunlight. The carbon dioxide released during respiration is utilized by the plant during photosynthesis to produce its food. During photosynthesis, the oxygen is released by plants which are taken up during respiration in plants. So, plants do not take oxygen during the day. Therefore, a balance between carbon dioxide and oxygen is maintained by the plants. At night time, plants take oxygen from the atmosphere and give out carbon dioxide. Respiration thus provides continuous energy to plants to perform various life processes such as growth, transportation, photosynthesis, etc. Plants take part in respiration all through their life as a plant cell needs the energy to survive. However, plants breathe differently through cellular respiration. Glucose produced during photosynthesis is oxidized to produce energy, carbon dioxide, and water. Plants do not possess any specialized structures for exchange of gases. Consequently, leaves, stems, and roots of plants separately exchange gases. In plants, each part nourishes and fulfills its own energy requirements. Respiration in leaves. Leaves possess stomata, tiny pores for gaseous exchange. The oxygen entered via stomata is used up by the cells in the leaves to disintegrate glucose or to oxidize the glucose molecule into water and carbon dioxide. Let's discuss the working of stomata. Leaves possess stomata, which are tiny pores for gaseous exchange. Stomata, along with its nearby guard cells and other cells, are called stomatal apparatus. The exchange of gases, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide in the leaves, takes place through the stomata during respiration. The oxygen from air enters into the leaf through stomata, through diffusion, while carbon dioxide produced during respiration also diffuses from the leaf to the atmosphere through the stomata. The expansion and contraction of guard cells, which occurs due to the supply of moisture and light, results in opening and closing of the stomata. Respiration in stems, especially the woody stems. The woody stems of the plants also respire. This is because of the presence of special tissue called lenticels. As the name suggests, lenticels have a lens-like shape. The cells of this tissue have large intercellular spaces. They exist as dead cells on woody plants and roots and allow the exchange of gases. The bark of trees is impermeable to gases. That means the exchange of gases cannot take place through the bark of trees. Hence, these tissues serve an important purpose of respiration in the stems. Let's discuss respiration in roots. Root cells of the plants respire under the ground. They also need oxygen to carry out respiration and releases energy for their own use. Root cells get oxygen from the air present in the spaces between the soil particles. Plant roots have a large number of tiny hairs on them which are called root hairs. Oxygen from the air present in the soil particles diffuses into root hair and reaches to the cells of the root where it is utilized for respiration. This is all for today's module. Thank you for watching the video. Take care, students. Goodbye.